Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth Pack. I wanted to talk to you today about how to clean and care for your Duluth Pack products. Some of you who have been able to visit our retail store may have seen this before. These are clean and care instructions, and they're divided by canvas and leather and go step by step on the best way to clean your pack. The first thing that you're going to need to clean your Duluth Pack is for the canvas portions of the bag, and that is our 8-ounce canvas cleaning solution. This comes in a spritz bottle and is perfect to clean your packs when assisted by a white cloth or a light brush, and you're going to want to dampen this before you use it. The reason why we're trying to use white items and these colorless cleaners is because you may get some stain and some bleed depending on what products you use. So if you use like a colored dish soap or something, that dye in the dish soap will affect your canvas. At the same time, if you use any kind of colored rag, you might leave behind some of that color depending on your bag as well. Another thing that we want to be careful of is not to get the leather wet, because the leather might color bleed, and that's also not good to get too much moisture onto your leather portions of your bag. So when applying our canvas cleaner, we're going to want a damp rag in our canvas cleaner. And we're going to find a dirt spot similar to this or a stain that we're trying to get out. It's always good to test on a discrete area of your bag if you're using a product other than ours to make sure that you're not leaving any discoloration. And once you are able to find a spot that you want to get out, you want to put medium pressure on it and work in circular motions. If you apply too much pressure, you may take the wax coating off of your wax canvas bags. And if you apply too little pressure, you may not get the stain or the dirt out. So finding that balance is key. For the leather portions of your bag, we have a couple different products for a couple different scenarios. This is our 8-ounce leather cleaner. It works very similarly to our canvas cleaner in that it gets out all of the surface stains and dirt if you get the stains before they set. If you are looking to add moisture to your leather to protect it and keep it for a long time, we have this leather cream that you can apply to the surface that is going to penetrate the surface just a little bit and add moisture to your leather so it doesn't crack and rub off. If you have outstanding cracking or damage to any of your leather components, we have this leather dressing, which penetrates the leather much more deep than our cream and our cleaner to restore the moisture deep in the layers of your leather. All of these you'll want to apply with a brush or a white towel. So with our leather products, I'm not actually going to apply them today because they are 3 different products with 3 different uses, and we're not going to mix those together. But it's very similar to how we apply our canvas cleaner. You're going to want to take a white cloth or a light brush and apply with circular motions, not rubbing too hard, but rubbing hard enough where you're going to get some of the dirt out, some of the stain out, where you're going to get the moisture back into the leather. So in conclusion, there's a couple things that you never want to do with your bag. You never want to put it in a washing machine. You never want to put it in a dryer. That's going to damage your leather components. That's going to cause some of the dye to ink out of your canvas. That's going to cause unnecessary wear and potentially damage. Everyone knows about our awesome lifetime warranty on craftsmanship and hardware. If you misclean your products, if you do any kind of cleaning that is not advised and it damages your bag, that's not going to be covered in your warranty. So you're going to want to be careful about how you take care of your bag, and if you treat it right, it's going to treat you right and last a lifetime. So thanks for tuning in today and learning how to clean and care for your Duluth Pack. I can't wait to share more with you next time.